That's how Toyin, that time was scandalous. It was bad. In fact, this guy, when the money started coming in, that's why they always say, ask for the source. Many people don't ask for the source. They just see the progress and the spending of money. And many, to be very sincere, how many of us do ask all these rich men that you have dated, say, how did you get your money? Many of us don't ask now. They didn't know that he was actually 419. He was doing fraud. And the fraud alone share. But at the end of the matter, you understand, the story can't go. No, it's not Yeye Toyin that had experience long time before he met. No, it's not Yeye Toyin had that experience long time before he met Egbegbe. He or she. No, it's not Yeye. Toyin had that experience long time before she met Egbegbe. Anyway, when Egbegbe's case came up, that was when people like me, heard about Toyin's drug case. Ibadan, thank you. Because I know that she grew up in Toyin's drug case. I heard it during the time of Egbegbe. She even had a meltdown. So, those of you that have known that she was taking drugs before Egbegbe, I don't know. As for me, I heard the drug issue during Egbegbe's time. Okay, her mom is Ibadan and grew up in Ibadan and say, hey, is it her father that is Edo? Because I learned that she has Edo blood. I don't now know if it is true. You know our people. They will add 1 and 2. They will make it 3. In fact, when this drug matter came up on Toyin, it was really bad. Me, I didn't hear about it until Egbegbe's case. I will still say my own. Reason why they joined it together, best known to, maybe she took it, she went to rehab, or she tried to and she relapsed. But they shall say the ronu of Egbegbe made her to start to take drug again. That's what we heard on the media that time. You understand? We heard, I never heard about her having drug challenges, that she was struggling with taking drugs like Whitney Houston. I never heard. But Lola said she knew about it before. Me, Emi Omo. Igba oro Egbegbe that she was dating. In fact, when Egbegbe beat her and she went into depression, yeah, they now said she was not taking drug to try and forget about Egbegbe, as in to try and run away from him. So she was almost killing herself with drug. That's what we heard in the media. So that was when I knew that she was taking drugs. Me, Bori. But some people said she was taking it before then. Your mom. So they needed to take her for treatment. Why am I saying this thing? The battle was for her to drop that guy and move on. If not, she would have ruined her life. Look at where she is today. Look at her life today. That's what Satan was trying to destroy. Assuming she was still with that guy, her case would be like Bobby Brown and Whitney Houston. Maybe she would have been dead. She needed to say enough is enough. And the first bad habit was Egbegbe. In fact, I didn't know that prison make people fine. I can't believe that is Egbegbe. Because Egbegbe, that time, be like Aaron. Toyin herself be like worm. That's the work of drug on people. Drug can ruin your life. Because when you are into it, most of the time you don't eat. You'll be taking it, then with the fact that she was experiencing domestic, because at a point they were now living together, it became domestic violence. It was too much for her. I saw her one day. I don't know if it's interview or they just saw her. Yeah, you know she can cry. She cries very well. If she cries here, you think it's acting. She knows how to cry. Her cry is real. She was maybe doing interview, they were asking her some questions, and she was talking about her experience. That's what made many people to fall in love with her. If you talk of who has the highest fan in Nollywood, Yoruba ni o, Toyin has, I think she has more than Funke Akindele, because all the people that held on to her is due to her struggle. They wanted to see that she doesn't die. So they all, the Titans, they all stood by her. And they always show her that they are supporting her. It was from that Egbegbe time. It was from that Egbegbe time. They didn't want her to die. So she continued. That life would have been ruined if she did not leave Egbegbe. Now, when Egbegbe, after being overly jealous boyfriend, they were acting like husband and wife knew. But later we heard that they were not even married. But they were acting like husband and wife. Because he will market, she will do the acting, he will produce. He will be the marketer. You know, like Adikas and Messi. She could make sense. I always get how to put it together now. You know, Adikas is a marketer. That's what Egbegbe was doing then. And Messi is an actress that everybody, at least you people, like her for now. You know, the rave of the moment. That was exactly how Toyin and Maku and this person were. And even this Seun, this guy was married then. This Yeye not to Seun, let me not call him Yeye not to again, you know, because he has gone to prison. You don't know, maybe he's not born again. They have to give him another chance. You understand? So they said he has 1 or 2 wives, one in the village, Abegi, then another one in Lagos. You know, like Itele, how he has 1 wife, the first one that gave birth to his first girl, that has mark like this. That one, nobody knows her. We only saw her inside one leaf, where banana leaf, where the Aye Martin she meeting. Then the other one is the one that is Abori, that cried that. Then the new one is the city girl. You know, the city girl. That one is a model. That one now gave birth for him. So he wanted to side, so he's now with the city girl. That's how Toyin's case was. But Owafi, Nilo, Ofi Adi, fún Toyin, Ofi beating, go join him fún Toyin. Nine people that love Toyin then, they were trying to help her. But eventually, and you know Toyin, she looked like somebody that can keep secrets. She's suffering in a man's life. If a man, she's suffering in the hand of a man, and she's the type that loves. Have you noticed? She loves. In fact, Egbegbe, for me, publicly, is the richest guy she has dated. Remember the one, the village headmaster, Adeniyi Johnson. You don't know that one. That one that just like a headmaster in the village. She's not after money. Most of the time, I don't see her that she's surulere. She follows people, I think, for love. I think she always go to do love. You understand? So this Egbegbe, she probably didn't know. Or maybe she just said, make she do this one, no. As this one get money, oh. She thought maybe, you understand? Maybe, because most of the people she does, I never hear say she follow MC Oluomo, follow Bola Tinubu. I've never heard that. But she and Funke Akindele, they have clean record for my own handle. If you have anything that you know, say it. If not, remain silent forever. Because me, I always say she's always following Surulere. Even this Baba Ire, if you notice, it's Baba La Surulere, and they are doing it together. That's why we are always trying to caution Baba Ire that a lot of people are watching him like this lover. If he mess up, go Abeokuta again, they will bring him out because they are fearing that Toyin should not have a meltdown like what's this one's name? Two Baba's wife that came out and was crying like a baby for us. She had a meltdown. That's why people are watching him. Because of all the experience that Toyin girl has had, and because of her lover girl attitude. You understand? She's like Iyabo Ojo, them nobody will care. Money come ni to bati lower tell go bati wani. So she's Surulere. That's why everybody is watching out for her. So if you have anything that you know that is I'm lying now, say it now. Because when these chats go, angels are taking it. Àwọn màláíkà máa gbé lọ sọ́run. Say it that I'm lying. Toyin dated MC. Toyin dated Bola Tinubu. Toyin dated Fashola. Say it. The ones that I know, I'm saying it. It's all these people that are Surulere. So this is the richest guy that me I have seen her with. But we didn't know that. And I believe she too did not know that it's an armed robber. Armed robber at here is fraud. But you know, who change him on law? They change her. People not good though. Because the revelation that came out about this Seun Egbegbe, it make me fear our Nigerians. So, una too they lie you. So, I will read this guy's story for you people. I will read this for you people. And I want you to see that a lot of things that we actually heard about Seun Egbegbe, many of it is not even true. Even all the musicians that gave me iPhone 1, Egbegbe, iPhone 2, they lie new. I'm not here to talk good about him because he's a criminal. He was found guilty out of 40-something charges. Only one he was found guilty of. And that one, he served almost 7 years in jail. What if the remaining 44 counts are also be lie? They said police people couldn't even provide anything to back up all those allegations. So more or less like they set him up to destroy him. In fact, the money that was found on him, the money that they saw with him, they have asked the police to return. Yes, he kidnapped Toyin at one point and she did not show up to location. It was yeah, it's true. When he says don't move, she used to do stood up, makuru maga. Go and ask her. It's not anything. It was over possessive. It wasn't that he wanted to kill her. You know those kind of people that if you leave me, he said he will kill himself and we kill her. What are you people saying? It's love she went to chop there. It's not that while they are together and he now said doing fraud, join her. Maybe he started the fraud, I don't know. But I don't think she knows that he's a criminal like that. I don't think so. But she knows that maybe she followed money. But meet Waterloo, I don't know. But I didn't even know him. And I believe many of us didn't know him until when he started maltreating Toyin. Yes, they used to call his name Seun Egbegbe. We knew him like they would call Okiki Films. You understand? But I didn't know his face. That's what I mean. Yeah. He was known and he was young. He was short. You don't see him. He has grown. He now looks like Koko Saria. The guy this the Toyin now. I mean, where was I going? Scatter mommy lori. Oh God. Now all the things they wrote about him, sorry, they alleged him of that he was detained for 44 counts or 45 counts. Only one that he was found guilty of. The rest 40-something charges, counts. Police couldn't prove. In fact, the judge told police to. You are scared for Toyin. Nobody had split it up before he went to jail. But you see, it's as if they set him up. In fact, the judge said the police that put him in prison that time, all his money that they took, that they should return the money. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá tún jí owó yẹn. I'm just trying to highlight some things. The person that should fear the most is Baba Ere. The person that should fear the most is Baba Ere. They told them to return that money to that guy. Do you know? If he is sensible, he should just look for a way to leave the country and go and yes. I'm going to read for you people, because let's deal with facts. Let us deal with facts. Facts. Yes, he dated Moji Olaiya. It's true. Late Moji Olaiya. It's true. You are correct. You know Moji of blessed memory. Let's not talk about it yet. Moji no gbadun gan. No gbadun. Look at his face. You would think it's Koko Saria. And one fit here. Because before this time, that be but he went to prison. He went to, it's Baba Ere that should be careful. Not for anything, but you should not do anything that will should be extra careful. Not Toyin. Yeah, but she's well connected now. He's going back. Else is going back. Okay. Okay. Let me show you people some things. Look at the guy. See, this was the way the guy looked in those days. This is him. This is the face. This is the person Toyin dated. Are you people seeing it? Because me or mom, Emma Benu. This is the person Toyin dated. This is him then. I don't know if you pass. Are you seeing it?